Hey, Leo. What are you doing under Luca's bed? Hey? Why are you there? Oh, you want to play? You want to play? You have no toys? You have no toys? Oh, Mommy took all your toys, eh? That's because they're not your toys. They're Luca's toys. No, and now you're going to get the school bag. Come. No, don't bite that. That's not a toy. Oh, you can't play with that. You coming out? Come on, look at you. You're such a cute puppy. Oh, there you are. There you are, playing under the bed. Playing under the bed. Oh, good boy.